In this video, I am going to tell you about the GATE entrance examination importance and the recruitments through GATE examination. Apart from the admissions in MTech PhD courses, the scores of GATE 2021 will be used by various PSUs to recruit engineers for executive posts. More than 50 PSUs including IOCL, ONGC, NTPC will recruit eligible applicants through GATE. Based on GATE 2021 scores, candidates can apply for the recruitment process. After that, based on the cutoffs published by PSUs, candidates will be called for further selection rounds, namely personal interview, group discussion. Moreover, some PSU conducts their own test to shortlist the candidates. Public sector undertaking or public sector enterprise are the companies that are owned by the Union Government of India or one of the states, territorial governments, or both. The majority of company shares are held by the government. PSUs are subdivided into following categories on the basis of net worth and annual turnover. Those are Maharatna companies, Navaratna companies, Mini Ratna category 1 companies, Mini Ratna category 2 companies. These are the following companies under Maharatna, and these are the following companies under Navaratna, and these are the companies under Mini Ratna category 1, and these are the companies under Mini Ratna category 2. Many of the BTech graduates don't know about the importance of the GATE examination. They are thinking about the GATE entrance examination is only for entrance exam for MTech and PhD courses. There are many reasons why many GATE aspirants prefer applying to PSUs through GATE. A few of them are enlisted below. GATE scores cannot be manipulated and the shortlisting through GATE score is anticipated. To be honest, the job is stable and even the pay is good with some additional perks. The perks in PSU start from HRA to healthcare facilities and much more such as foreign trips, extended leaves. But how to apply for PSUs through GATE 2021? Many of the PSUs prefer the online mode of applications. In case of any offline application, candidates have to download it, fill it in the required format and send it along with the required set of specified documents. For the online mode of application, register online, upload the requisite documents and submit the filled in application form. A few PSUs ask for the application fee to be paid either online or offline. GATE details of the candidates such as registration number and scores are important and are prerequisites to fill application forms of different PSUs. Usually application dates for some PSUs are declared after the conclusion of the GATE exam. What is the eligibility criteria for PSU recruitment through GATE exam is: a valid GATE score is in a relevant discipline is the most seeking criterion required in PSU recruitment through GATE. Along with this, there are some factors that are considered to define the eligibility such as age limit, minimum pass percentage or CPGA in bachelor's degree, medical standards. The eligibility criteria for PSU's recruitments through GATE even vary with the PSUs. These are the some of the list top PSUs recruiting through GATE 2021. The eligibility criteria of all the PSUs is different. Some of the PSUs recruit candidates based on their GATE score only, whereas other PSUs first shortlist the candidates based on their GATE score, then conducts an entrance exam followed by personal interview. The list of some of the top PSUs you can observe here. From all the PSUs, NTPC recruitment through GATE is an important one. NTPC is nothing but National Thermal Power Corporation. This company will select the candidates on the basis of the GATE score for the post of executive trainees. NTPC will announce the recruitment of GATE qualified candidates in disciplines like electrical, mechanical, electronics, instrumentation and mining engineering. And the availability of applications for NTPC will be decided by the NTPC company. And last date submit application form for NTPC recruitment also announced by the company. And there will be a group discussion and there will be an interview call for the candidates, those who are shortlisted. And the NTPC recruitment eligibility and application process will be candidates who possess BTech, BE or BSc engineering in the relevant field of engineering. The upper age limit was set at 27 years and can be relaxable for GATE 2021. Candidates will need to apply online at ntpccareers.net. The application fee to apply for NTPC recruitment through GATE was 150 rupees. And the NTPC selection process and salary will be selection process comprises of candidates have to appear for group discussion and personal interview round, and based on the performance of candidates, final merit list will be released. The vacancies can be decided expect to be 177 in this 2021, and salaries allowable will be 24,900 rupees during training and 25,650 rupees after training. And next one is IOCL recruitment through GATE. IOCL is a Indian Oil Corporation Limited which recruits engineers, officers, assistant officers, quality control on the basis of GATE score. IOCL has stated that Indian citizens who have graduated in engineering disciplines, that is civil, chemical, electrical and mechanical, will be eligible to apply through GATE. IOCL eligibility criteria and applications process will be like this. Candidate must be an Indian citizen, a graduate engineer in chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering or mechanical engineering from a recognized university. And they have to go to the official website of IOCL and they have to check for the careers option every time. Every year they will recruit the BE BTech graduates through GATE examination only. The final step is to submit the application form. And the salary and selection process for IOCL will be as follows. The group discussion will be there, and group task or group discussion or group task will be provided, and personal interview will be there for assessment of different facets of knowledge, skills, etc. And salary allowance for the candidates selected as engineers or officers will be receiving a monthly remuneration of 60,000. Next is BARC recruitment through GATE. BARC is a Baba Atomic Research Center. Recruits candidates for the post of trainee scientist officer on the basis of GATE scores. It offers 2 training programs for selected candidates, that is OCES and DGFS. BARC eligibility criteria and application process will be like this. Candidates having MSc by research or PhD are not eligible. A minimum of 60% marks is required in the qualifying degree. Candidates have to apply online by visiting the official website. They have to make payment of 500 rupees for the final submission of the application form. The selection process and salary of BARC will be as follows. The candidates will be shortlisted based on their performance in the GATE and BARC online test. Shortlisted candidates have to appear in a personal interview. The salary allowance for the shortlisted candidates will be appointed in all the units shall be as a scientific officer C level at grade pay of 56,100 of 7th CPC pay matrix. Next one is BHEL recruitment through GATE. BHEL is Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, hires engineer trainee through GATE score. BHEL recruit through GATE is only for the graduates or postgraduates of the mechanical and electrical branch. BHEL eligibility criteria and application process will be as follows. The candidates must have passed bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or a 5-year integrated master's degree or dual degree program in engineering or technology from a recognized Indian university or institute. The candidates have to visit the official website for the recruitment process, and they have to submit the application form along with 300 rupees of the payment. And BHEL selection process and salary will be as follows. The weightage given will be 75% to the GATE scores and 25% to the interview. Physically challenged candidates will be given relaxation in cutoff marks in concerned categories for interview. The salary allowance for the selected candidates will be having the basic pay scale of engineer trainee as 20,600 to 46,500 rupees in training period, which increases to 24,900 to 50,500 after completing the probation. The vacancies can be decided by the BHEL company at the time of recruitment. Those are expected as 50 recruitment, 50 posts. Next one is DRDO recruitment through GATE. DRDO is the Defense Research and Development Organization which recruits the graduate engineers for the post of Scientist B on the basis of GATE scores. Only GATE qualified candidates will be able to apply for DRDO recruitment process for the post of Scientist B in Defense Research and Development Organization. DRDO eligibility criteria and application process will be as follows. A candidate must be an Indian national. A candidate must have scored a minimum of 60% marks in the qualifying examination. The application forms are tentative to be available in March-April 2021. But if it is not given, then please watch for the recruitment details in DRDO official website. The applications and candidates have to fill the online applications forms that includes uploading documents, educational qualification details, etc. The final step is to make a payment of 100 rupees. DRDO selection process and salary will be as follows. The shortlisted candidates on the basis of the GATE scores are descriptive examination will be required to appear in the personal interview to be held at Delhi. The offer of appointment to the selected candidates will be restricted to the number of vacancies in order to merit. The number of vacancies will be expected to be 160. The salary allowances will be as follows. They will get 15,600 to 39,100 with a grade pay 55,400 rupees. Next one is ONGC recruitment through GATE. ONGC is Oil and Natural Gas Company Limited. Selects candidates through GATE 2021 for the post of Assistant Executive Engineers, Geologist, Chemist, Geophysicist, Material Management Officer, Programming Officer and Transport Officer. The only prerequisite required is that the candidate have to pay a registration fee and upload their photograph and signature along with the application form. The selection will be based on GATE score, personal interview and qualified record. ONGC eligibility criteria and application process will be as follows. Candidates applying for the recruitment process must be a citizen of India. Candidate must hold an undergraduate engineering degree with a minimum of 60% marks in order to eligible for the post. The candidate can apply for the PSU through online applications. Fill your GATE details, upload your passport size photo and the signature image as per the format provided and submitted in the filled application. The application fee for general and OBC category candidates is 370 rupees, while SC/ST and PWD are not required to pay any fee. ONGC selection process and salary will be as follows. The selection process for various posts at ONGC through GATE examinations has three parts. One is GATE score, second one is personal interview and qualified record. And next one is vacancies expected to be 785 for various posts in different departments. And the salary allowances will be 24,900 to 50,500. Next one is Coal India recruitment through GATE. Coal India Limited recruits GATE qualified candidates for the post of management trainees. The online application form would be available in the month of April-May. If it is not given by the company, please watch for the updates. The selection of candidates is based on the scores in GATE, written test and personal interview. The eligibility criteria vary from post to post in CIL recruitment. The educational qualification must be from a recognized university. The selection of the candidates is done through a written test conducted by Coal India. Candidates with valid GATE score will undergo the further process of the selection process. The candidate in the written test will be called for a personal interview. The final merit list will be prepared on the performance of candidates in written test and personal interview. The selected candidates are required to serve the company for a minimum of 5 years. Number of vacancies expected in the Coal India Limited will be 1319 posts, and the eligible branches will be mining, EEE, mechanical, civil, chemical, electronics, instrumentation, geology and control systems. And the posts are available, posts and basic pay of the available posts are 20,600 for E2 grade, 24,900 for E3 grade. And next one is NHAI recruitment through GATE. NHAI will release the notification for the recruitment of deputy managers through GATE 2021 at their official website. A total of 15 vacancies are expected for the deputy manager post. And besides numerous opportunities and perks, the candidates are entitled to a grade pay of 5,400 plus relevant DA plus 30% HRA, leave facilities of 17,800 plus medical facilities like, and pay band will be in the range of 15,600 to 39,100. And the eligible branches are civil engineering. Next one is MDL recruitment through GATE. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited will release the official notification for the recruitment of executive trainees. This year, MDL is expected to release the vacancies for 8 executive trainees. Technical applications should have completed a full-time bachelor's degree in engineering from a recognized university or deemed university or institute recognized by AICTE with a first class or minimum 60% marks in aggregate or equivalent CPGA. MDL recruitment is an online process and no manual paper application will be entertained. The application form can be accessed by clicking the online recruitment tab on the official website. And eligible branches are mechanical or electrical engineering. And the number of vacancies are 8. And the post and basic salary for executive trainees will be 40,000 to 1,40,000. Next one is NFL recruitment through GATE. All the interested students can apply online by visiting official website of NFL. Candidates are selected on the basis of GATE 2021 score and personal interview. The candidates having bachelor's degree or in engineering or technology with not less than 60% marks and 50% for SC/ST are only eligible to apply. The upper age limit for NFL recruitment through GATE is 27 years. Reservation for SC/ST, OBC, non-creamy layer candidates and persons with disabilities will be as per the instructions given by the government. 80% weightage is given to the marks obtained in GATE 2021 and 20% weightage is given to the personal interview. And the eligible branches are mechanical or electrical engineering or chemical engineering. The number of posts will be released by the company and the basic pay of the executive trainees will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Next one is BPCL recruitment through GATE. Bharat Petroleum recruits candidates for the post of management trainee solely on the basis of GATE 2021 score. The notification for BPCL recruitment through GATE 2021 will be released at its official website. Candidates from mechanical engineering applied for the post of management trainee at BPCL. Management trainee will get a basic salary of 24,900 per month. The application form will be available on official website and the number of vacancies will be released by the company. Eligible branches for this is mechanical engineering. Next one is GAIL recruitment through GATE. Based on GATE scores, Gas Authority of India Limited recruits engineers for the post of executive trainee. The application form for the GAIL PSU recruitment through GATE is expected to be released soon. It requires minimum eligibility of 65% marks and 60% for SC/ST PW category in a bachelor's degree. The upper age limit is 28 years as on 2021 March and the vacancies will be released by the company in its official website. And the eligible branches for this will be instrumentation and control, or electronics and instrumentation, or electrical and instrumentation, or electronics or electrical and electronics branches. And the salary will be for management trainees in the range of 24,900 to 50,500. And next company will be AAI recruitment. Airport Authority of India hires the candidates on the basis of GATE score. The application form will be available at aai.aero. Those with a full-time regular bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or civil or electrical or electronics with minimum 60% marks from a recognized or deemed university will be eligible. And the number of vacancies to be expected will be 542 this year. And the eligible branches will be civil engineering, electrical and electronics engineering. And the basic pay of the post will be 40,000. Next one is BBNL recruitment through GATE. Bharat Broadband Network Limited provides recruitment to the post of executive trainee on the basis of GATE scores. The application forms will be released on the official website. Selected candidates will get the basic pay of 16,400 to 40,500 per month. The probation period of BBNL executive trainees is 12 months, commencing from the date of appointment. The expected post will be released soon, and the application date also released soon. The eligible branches are EC, CS, Electrical and IT. The basic pay of the post will be 16,400 to 40,500. Next one is HPCL recruitment through GATE. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited recruits candidates on the basis of GATE score. The application form for HPCL through GATE will be available on the website. Application fees will be 265 rupees for general category, and SC/ST are exempted from paying a fee. Eligible streams will be mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics, instrumentation engineering, chemical engineering, and civil engineering. The basic pay will be 24,900 to 50,500 per month. Next one is NHPC recruitment through GATE. NHPC is nothing but National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. Hires eligible and qualified candidates for the post of trainee engineer through GATE 2021. Candidates with a BTech degree in the required discipline are eligible to apply. The upper age limit for the selection to the post offered by NHPC is 30 years. Number of vacancies will be 9 for electrical, 6 will be civil, and 20 for mechanical, 9 for geology. Salary allowances will be 24,900 to 50,500. Eligible streams are mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, and geology. And next one is WBS EDCL recruitment through GATE. WBS EDCL, West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company, recruits eligible candidates to the post of assistant engineers. Apart from electrical and civil, WBSEDCL will recruit candidates from IT and computer streams as well. The candidates with a BTech degree in electrical, civil, IT and computer engineering from a recognized university are appearing for the same are eligible to apply for the post. Candidates have to qualify GATE exam with the marks equivalent to or more than the minimum GATE cutoff marks. Vacancies for this is 58 for electrical, 38 for civil, and 17 for IT and C. From the previous data, the basic pay will be 15,600 to 39,100 and a grade pay of 5,400. The eligible streams are electrical engineering, civil engineering, information technology, and computer science. Next one is Hall recruitment through GATE. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited uses GATE score to recruit candidates for posts like management trainee and design training. The trainee will get a stipend of 16,400 per month in the probation period. After completing the training period, candidate will get 40,500 per month. GATE 2008 score has 85% weightage in the selection process. The number of vacancies will be 125. Basic pay of this will be 16,400 in training period and 40,500 after training. The service bond will be 5 years and the eligible streams will be mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronics, and civil engineering. And there are many more companies that will recruit the BTech graduates based on GATE score. The valid GATE scores for different PSUs will be shown below. So this is about the information of PSU companies that will recruit through GATE score. So if you like my video, please click on like button and share the video to as much as possible, and subscribe to my channel so that you will get all the notifications of my channel.